welcome to the channel. My name is Jennifer, if you're new. Today we're going to be doing the fog light installation. It's going to be a two-part video, so stay tuned. Hope you like it.
There's two ways to do this. You can either take your bumper out, which first will be the grill and then the bumper, or you can just take the bottom part out, which that's exactly what I'm going to do. All you need is a 10mm socket wrench. I'm actually going to use the car for lifting. Alright, so stay safe. Don't try this at home if you're not sure 100%. I wouldn't recommend no one doing this if you're not 100% sure. I did this on my other car, the SE that I had, and I kind of have experience on it. And let's do this. Don't worry. What y'all want to do right here is put it on the hard part of the car. Don't put it on the plastic, don't put it on the frame, which might fuck that up the car, you know. You gotta put this on the hard part, so that way it's easier to pick up. More space to work. Now here's the thing. You're gonna need a 10mm socket wrench because you have all this. I have a lip kit over here, but it's creepy, the lip kit over here. Jesus. You have all these little ones. That's 10mm. These ones are plastic ones. There's two plastic ones from what I remember. This is a metal one, but one's a plastic one. All of them around are 10mm. Easy to take out, easy to work with. You gotta take this bottom part out, the engine cover, and you have access to the bezels. This is the only different one that looks, you know. Now don't forget how to put this engine cover back on. You guys can always comment down below, ask any questions. So this one's a very different one compared to the other ones, so this one goes in the middle. Now for the clips over here, some of them do, you push and they come out. Now this one's obviously, where am I, right here? Now for the clips over here, definitely this is not the push and come out, so you have to get them out a little flat screwdriver. Should be okay. Always be careful, the engine bay might just fall on you. Don't worry, it's plastic, so it's not that heavy, as you can see. Check out. Oh, came off easy. Try not to break them. We got one more to go, and then we should be good. So what's your concern, you guys, with this coronavirus situation? You know, leave a comment down below, say what's going on. You know, what are you guys worried? Are you guys scared? I personally think that as long as you're taking your, you know, vitamins, you know, you should be okay. You shouldn't even contract the, you know, the virus. So oh, there we go. See, comes off. But I gotta take next to the tire one, so I'll take that first. The tires, they are gonna be like a mini mud flap there. This happened to me back when I was working on my SE, on the fog lights on that one. Don't worry about the little mud flap if you don't know like which one goes on the right, which one goes on the left, because that happened to me. Because I always, when I took everything apart, I put everything together. It has a little gap over here, so you know which one goes on where. So you should be okay. Take him off nice and and simple. You didn't have to move it a little bit or anything. There it is. So there's 12 bolts like this. It's better using the socket wrench, honestly. One that's in the middle and 2 plastic ones you can take with a flat screwdriver. Easy stuff. I do 100% recommend the stand just for safety, guys. Please be safe out there. Don't kill yourself. Alright, so here, see, Toyota were so smart of giving us this already. The hole for the fog lights, the 2 little screwdriver hole, I mean the bolt holes. So I mean, they had this plan already. So I guess, you know, for anyone out there, it's like, oh, you know, they already had this plan. I don't know why they didn't come with a Camry with fog lights. Honestly, they could have just done it. It would have been much easier for us. But I guess they had this plan that people were gonna mod. So anyone out there who's saying like, oh, how do you guys did the fog lights, you know, if you guys can, you don't have this, right, like the frame for the fog light. Well, actually we do. The car does come. Now for the bezel, there's little clips over here that you can push in. It'll come off. Simple, nice and simple. Either with your hand or with flat screwdriver. There you go. That's all you need to do. Do all of them, to all of that little clips over here. This one's over here. Let's see if I can reach with my hand. Where am I going? There you go. This one over here, this little guy, just push it in. So it can kind of be like this. So ready to just pull it out. Now be careful with the XSC, because XSC has right here some cable going on with, that's for the parking assistance. If you don't know what the parking assistant is, it's this little guys over here. The sensors, you know. You don't want to damage the cable for no reason. So here we go. Alright fans, so that took a little bit longer. So it looks like the XSC is actually has a little phone over here. This is the park assist, but yeah, it is really crazy, you know. The SE didn't have this, so it took longer than what I expected. Actually broke the original bezels, so I was like, fuck, and I was actually trying to, you know, put them on sale for anyone who needed them, but yeah, it's a no-no. So far, loving the look. Does look different. Right, fam, so this is what I did. I got the bezels from Toyota. They call, I think the ones who actually makes them, it's Miami, a company from Miami, or Toyota from Miami. So the set's like $300 X, you know. That's just, for me it's like way too high. But I mean, the quality on it, you know, the paint and everything, people might think it's worth it, you know. I like going on a route. I got the eBay fog light kit, which I got them right here. I'm gonna put them on and see if they fit. So you can get them. You can maybe call them and get the bezels, and then just get the fog light kit. That's on eBay right now. It's like 50-60 bucks top. And then see, and then maybe, I mean, either way you're gonna spend less money than the 300X that they're, you know, asking for, selling them for. Maybe people saying like, oh, but the eBay ones don't light up that good. Well, you get the bolts. I'm gonna take them out right now. They're actually run for under 10 bucks. So they're really good, nice and firm. They fit on it. If you guys see them on eBay, I recommend you guys, I'll put the info right now down below so you guys can see the size, because I got the wrong size for them. That's why it took me a while. But you guys will see how they light up. Record at the same time we're doing this and try not to cover. You have it, fam. 2 bolts. The third one pretty much a little stick right here. Fourth one is just meh. it's nice and strong right here, nice and hard. Now let's see from the outside it actually looks. So it looks really good. Really good actually. What we're gonna do now is try to push this one back. Because for a fact, let's see if there's still space. So let's see how it looks. Alright? Fingers crossed that it's definitely not gonna push the fog lamp out. Proves my theory that you can get the eBay ones and get the bezels for it. They do fit, there's no issues, nothing to be honest. There's a perfect fitment, so the fog lamps are gonna be 4-inch. They are gonna be bigger. So if you're trying to put them on, you know, oh, I got it, this is way too big for the bezels. No, the fog lamps are 4 inches. The bezel ones are about 2 inch. So they don't make 2 inches with the same bolt pattern for the Camry. So this one should be a-okay. So there you have it, fam. Looks really good on the yellow. I love the yellow fog lights. I know it's considered the racing ones, but yeah, looks really good. Can't wait to light them up and see how they look.